You've likely heard the myth that holding in a sneeze can be fatal, but is it really true? Sneezing generates a lot of force, and holding it entraps that energy within your body. This can lead to minor issues like a ruptured eardrum or a popped blood vessel. Some have even claimed it could cause collapsed lungs or brain aneurysms, but these claims lack solid evidence. So while holding in a sneeze could lead to discomfort or minor injuries, it's unlikely to actually be deadly.